Annie the ant. In an hill lives an active ant called Annie. She travels in her van to sell candies and apples. She works day and night. She goes up and down the hills. At night, she takes rest and eats an apple. One day, Sam the deer stops Annie's van. He buys lots of candies and few apples. Annie and Sam become a good friend. They start to play together. One day, a hunter comes to forest to catch Sam. He caught Sam and tried to put him in a bag. Annie was so sad. For free Sam, Annie bites the hunter's hand. The bags fall and Sam runs away. Annie runs after Sam. Now Annie and Sam happy and free.